Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first video then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this simple deep pink makeup look using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I did actually have someone comment on one of my videos asking if I could do some more simple looks using this palette, so this is what I came up with. When I looked at the palette I was kind of drawn to the pinks because I've got the transition shade there, I've got a darker shade for the crease, and I've also got a shimmery shade, so I thought that it would be nice to combine all three of those pink shades. And yeah, I'm very happy with the way this look turned out. I am actually filming at night again, even though I said I wasn't going to, but it was just the only time that I had to film. So yeah, the lighting is not so great, but the close-up parts are nice and bright for you, so that's really all that matters. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've got my face makeup done and my eyebrows, and I've also got a white eyeshadow base on the eyelids, and what that's going to do is just help to make the colours that I put on there more vibrant and just more how they're supposed to look basically. But you can use any other base, a colour free base or a concealer, and that will do the job just fine as well. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm taking a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go in with this shade here called Bubblegum, and I'm just going to apply this to the crease and blend it outwards. Alright, so we've got the pink in there. Now I'm going to darken it up. So I'm going to go in with this shade here called Raspberry and this domed crease brush, and I'm going to apply this to my crease just to darken it up and blend it outwards, and go back in with the blending brush to help do that. I'm also just going to take that same raspberry shade and the same brush and just apply that to my outer third of my eye, just to give them some dimension. Next I'm going to be taking an all over shader brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Cotton Candy, and I'm just going to apply this basically everywhere where there's still no colour. Now we're going to be smoking out the lower lash line, so I'm going to be taking these two brushes. So this one obviously for the colour raspberry, and this one for the bubblegum shade. Now to add a bit of highlight, I'm going in with my Lime Crime Opals highlight, and I'm taking this shade here called Pink and just applying that to my tear duct, my brow bone, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow and my cheekbones. And so to do that I'm using these two brushes, the larger one for my cheekbones and the smaller one for everything else. On my lips, I'm going to be applying my Lime Crime Velvetine, and this is in the shade Happi. This is just a nice, soft, metallic pink. I just wanted something that would kind of match the look, so I think it goes. Okay, now the last thing left to do is just apply lashes and mascara. So the lashes I'm going to be using are my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes. These are in the style Panther. I'm going to apply these off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I'm really liking this look. It's super vibrant, fun and girly. I love a bit of pink and a little bit of shimmer. If I was going out to an event or a party, this is the type of look that I would definitely wear. I do have hooded eyes, so when I do cut creases, I just don't think that it looks as good on me. So this would be the type of makeup that I would do if people were going to see it, I guess. So yeah, it's been a while since I've actually done a look like this, and I think I will do a few more because I need to get back to the simple stuff. I feel like I've been trying to be as technical as I possibly could, but I'd forgotten that I need to also include looks that everyday people can wear. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and tick that little bell button so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.